And I'm going to be making camera right. I'm going to be making little reindeer leather bags, and I stitch the pewter onto a little piece of Vadmal, and on the back of it I have it lined with linen because I find it's just easier to sew that way. It's kind of a better, sturdier base for the stitching, and I have to thread this through that hole. Haven't done it this way before. I'm testing to see if I can pull it through with this big, large darning needle I have first. It might work. Haha! Yes, that's a good method. All right, so I have this end here.